to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a potting video, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you what a beautiful day it is today. I hope that you guys are having great weather as well. And I hope that you guys are enjoying your day. But it's really breezy and it just feels really cool in the air, so it's really nice. Check this table and chair out. I had told my sister-in-law that I was looking for a small table and chair, and she found this for me for $15, guys. Can you believe it? And it looks beautiful. No paint needed. And look at how beautiful this plant is doing. She is so happy. See, I know you guys can hear that wind. So nice. But let's go into the greenhouse now. Oh, also let me show you guys this thing that my husband found in the trash. It was red and very rusty, peeling. So I went ahead and spray painted it a lot with white paint, and there you go. It's nice, and everything is doing well so far. I brought a lot of my baby plants out just to enjoy the weather, and I'm just trying to see how they do on their own out here, so we'll see. Hi, Max. I found a letter in. The wind's gonna close the gate, so I gotta let her in. So wine. Come here. I'm gonna get a mat for her, but I put a little towel for her here. I'm a mess in my greenhouse. I gotta clean it up. And so that she can, if she wants to come in, I clear this area and she can lay there. Because sometimes she just likes being next to me. Maxie! Maxie! You go night night? Go night night? Night night? Oh, you're such a good girl. You go night night. Oh, you're too pretty. Well, that's that, buddy. Me sunbathing on top of that cactus. He's always hanging around. Okay, guys, so I just took a bunch of plants and put them here to see what I kind of want going on. I don't have, to be honest, I didn't really think of how to do this one. I'm just really trying to plant some of my plants because, well, they've been sitting around and they need to be planted. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. So that's what I'll be doing. So let me go ahead and move these. So I already put the this euphorbia in. It's euphorbia something. Can't remember the name, but I will put that on the screen for you. And then this is some type of cacti. Did not have a name. So that's what I'm doing today. I just have to move some of these plants along and plant them. Okay, I'm gonna have to add more soil. Okay, come back over here, buddy. Okay, and then these are what's it called? Where did the other one go? I had another one in my hand. Oh, this one. This is some type of jade that I bought a while ago. Let's put this one over here. So this euphorbia, this tall euphorbia, it gets good light in here in the greenhouse, but I guess it's not enough to keep it from stretching out. So I'm gonna put it outside and see how well it does outside. Okay, it's very just simple arrangement. I don't know what type of plant is this. It has some really pretty colors. You can see pink, yellow, and green, and even a little hint of blue in it. This is a propagation that I did, and the other day, because I pulled it the other day and laid it, it curved up looking for the sun. So I'm pretty sure it's part of the kalanchoe family, and a lot of the kalanchoes tend to do that. If you lay them down, you know, waiting to pot them up, they will curl upwards. So yeah, I noticed that. So this one definitely curled upwards, but it should it will straighten out once the sun is hitting it and it's getting enough light. It's gonna straighten out. I'm actually gonna push this one a little bit back that way, like this, and then put this one here. Let me just put these together at the same time right here, and then plant it up. So breezy out. It's supposed to rain tonight. I just don't know how much, but it is supposed to rain. Okay, that's good. And then these are one of my favorites. I have a bunch of favorites. I just don't like when soil gets on them. They're very hard to clean, the fuzzy ones. I believe this one is the panda one. There's a few of these. You have the chocolate, cinnamon, panda, oh, tuxedo. Those are really nice. These are also ones that I've propagated. I just wish they weren't full of sand, full of dirt, full of soil. A little bit of rain might clean them up. Okay, and obviously I left my Lazy Susan somewhere. I think it's inside the house. I used it to take a picture and I left it inside. Some soil behind this cactus here. And get it away from oh goodness, listen to that. You hear that? That is a lot of breeze, a lot of wind. Okay, I think it looks pretty good. Some dressing always completes the project. Let me go look and see what I decide. Oh, I noticed I was out of frame. What I decide to put on this. She is all dressed up. For some reason, when you dress them up, they just look so much more different, so much better. I'll give you a better overview. It's really nice. What I did was first I laid down the big rocks and then I put turquoise around it. I just like the way that looks, you know, a little different than what I normally do. And yeah, I really like it. So now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna give you an idea of something that you guys can do. So I've tried to remove this. And not aggressively, just, you know, soap and water and a sponge and then it come off. But another thing that you can do is whitewash it, and the whitewash just gives it a really nice look. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that and then show you guys what it looks like.